Hello everyone. Today I'm happy to share that we have new daily note features that allow you to create daily journal, quick note, and tasks easily. So here's how it works. First, you can click on the timeline view, and then you will have access to the daily, weekly, and monthly view. Okay, in the daily view, you can write and ask any task you want. For example, post. And all the notes you talk and type via our Telegram bot will also appear here in the daily note. The weekly and monthly view let you see all the note within that time frame. Okay. And additionally, all daily note will be stored in a location of your choice. You can select the storage location by going to settings, capturing space, and you can choose the default folders here. For example, I'm choosing the daily journal folder that I created. So that's the timeline view for the note. However, we believe that we can only gain insight when we reflect on those notes, right? But sometimes we're too busy and don't have the time. That's why we want to have you do it quicker in Saner.ai. You can gain insight by using AI to analyze your daily notes. For example, I can easily do my weekly reflection like this. I choose the daily journal folders, then I ask AI to provide the insights. Okay, so is have read all the daily journal I wrote and give me the insights about startups. For example, right here. Yeah. So now I can use the insights separately or even create a new note to start doing with it right away. Whether it's for personal reflection or task management or gaining insight, we believe that this daily note feature will have your workflows become much more straightforward.